What's up, you guys, back at it with another video. Check this out. I finally found the Sleep Our Garage Project Starion. This Mitsubishi Starion is a 1986 model with a Honda K-Swap, and you should check this one out here at the 2022 Spokane, Anaheim, California. Check it out. What's up, you guys, back at it with another video. Look at this. I am here at the 2023 Spokane here in Anaheim, California. What you're gonna looking at is a Sleep Our Garage 1986 Mitsubishi Starion with a Honda K-Series engine swap to it. Look at this. It has a turbo, custom intake manifold, custom radiator, custom made coilover suspension, blue paint job, all kinds of cool stuff in this. Look at this. This whole front end is carbon fiber. Flashing lights, guys, check it out. What are your thoughts on this one? Okay, let's get to the wheels. This is a 17-inch wheels, Watanabe wheels. This one is a 215. That one is in the back is a wider. It's supposed to be 225. These are 45 series 17s. That's also 45 series 17s. Wide body, blue paint job. I like this build. This is one of my very first K-Swap here in this channel, and I do a walk around to it. I just wish that I could see how the engine is mounted to this chassis. And for what I heard about the owner, that this one has a custom made bell housing to match the Toyota W58 transmission, and a custom made clutch by Clutch Masters. I think this one has a Honda flywheel. This somehow they make it to put it all together. I just don't know much about this beautiful car. And the reason why I'm doing a video, because I saw this in their channel called the Sleep Our Garage, and you should give this video a subscribe. That's right there, Sleep Our Garage. And also kindly please subscribe to my channel too. Give this video a like, so post this channel about this crazy build. I like all this engine swap, mind you guys. This is my favorite thing. This is what not the purists would want to see, this Mitsubishi with a Honda engine. But who cares? Life is too short to have fun, right? The rear end is a stock. The brakes are stock. Well, aftermarket brakes, I mean. Cross drill slotted wheel rotors. Okay. Unbelievable car. Okay, let's get into the interior, guys. Sparkle seats. Sparkle seat belts. W58 transmission. Nardi steering wheel. I like this car, guys. Leave a comment, guys. What do you thought about this build? Are you a fan of putting a Honda engine into a classic Mitsubishi like this one right here? I like it. I'm a big fan of engine swap. This is unfreaking believable. Give this video a like, guys. Are you a fan of these things? Leave a comment, guys. This says affiliated to a show crew. Spokane, 2023, Anaheim, California. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys all for watching my video, bearing up with this car throughout the video, and I hope you guys like it. So big shout out to the people at the Sleep Our Garage. This is your host, Kuya Miguel, from Delicious Live TV. And I hope you guys like it. I keep on saying this, but this engine swap is a big one for me. So that should wrap it up, guys. Thank you guys all for watching. And once again, this is your host, Kuya Miguel, showing the Honda K-Swap powered 1986 Mitsubishi Starion here at the 2023 Spokane, Anaheim, California, for another episode of Delicious Live TV.